Hi, Discovery students. Today is Thursday, an A day, and it is your asynchronous learning day. The first thing you are going to need to do is go to your dashboard if you're not already there. And I'm going to put this on student view. Here we go. And you can see this is your student view. Here are the things that are open for you, and one of them is assignments. So you should click on that. And then you should look for Thursday, A day, asynchronous learning. And you can see that it's right here. Click on that. And then what you are going to see is all of this. And I'm going to go through all of this with you. So hopefully you will understand exactly what you need to do. So the first thing is I'm going to read the directions. I am not here today, but you do have your assignments to complete. Please read the directions below and watch the video to understand what you need to do for today. This is the video. If you have any questions or problems, see me during WIN on Friday. See you next Tuesday, A-Day class. You will do two things today. You will complete your Achieve 3000 article, Goodbye, Nelson Mandela. We went through introduction slides on Tuesday. Here are those introduction slides. All you have to do is click, and it'll give you all of these slides again. Please feel free to go through them if you need those reminders, especially the words that we went through, because these words will be words that you will see in the article. This is also a reminder that this is a graded assignment, so please read carefully and do your best. Here is the percentage scores that will go with Exceed Mastery, Mastery, Near Mastery, or Beginning Level. These percentages will indicate what you will receive for the reading assignment. I take only the first try. I do not take the second or third try. So do your best the first time. So your job is to go to Clever and to log in to Achieve 3000. Person doing the handstand. And to log into Social Studies and locate the article Goodbye, Nelson Mandela. And here it is. Open it up. Do the before reading poll. Make sure you answer. Make sure you explain why you voted the way you did. Read the article. Answer the questions. Do the after reading poll. And it's not, oh, but we'll get there. And do the thought question. Once you're done with that, your next activity is to complete your new student notes. Student Notes Part 2. This is called Belonging and Assimilation. do only slides 1 through 5. Okay, so here is your student notes part 2. Your job is to only do slides 1 through 5. So you're going to click this and you're going to make a copy for yourself. Yeah, it's going to get there, we hope. There we go. It takes a little bit always. And you only do 1 through 5. So the first one is you're going to put your name, Suzanne Harchis. And then again, these are your directions, similar to Student Notes Part 1. Oh my! I did the first one for you. I'm so kind. Can people feel like they do not belong to a culture? What could be the reason? Yes, not fitting in, not speaking the same language, lack of knowledge of customs and rituals of that group, perhaps not fitting in due to ability level or talent. And then all you have to do is do 4 and 5. And you see this? That means don't go further. You're done. What is dominant culture? You will find that on slide number 21. Where are these slides? They're right here, your culture slides. That's how you're going to get to number 21 and number 22. These are the slides that I've been using in class. So you're going to go all the way to number 21. And what is dominant culture? And you are going to type it right here. Okay. See how it's highlighted in yellow? Just write what's in yellow. Okay? You don't have to worry about this that's not in yellow. When you are a good note taker, you learn to take out stuff that might be too much. It might take too long to write. Because when you get into high school and college, what you're going to unfortunately find are sometimes there are teachers or professors that just keep moving along and will not stop. So you really have to learn to be fast note takers. So one way to do that is to take out words that you may not need. Slide number 5. What are 3 reasons cultures can clash? That's slide 22. And here you go. And again, all you have to do is just write down what's highlighted in yellow. Okay? Then that's it. You're done with today's activities. But here's something that's really important. If you are done with Achieve 3000, you still need to submit. I have created a text entry. And how am I going to know that you're done with the Achieve 3000? How can I give you a grade on that? All you have to do is submit your assignment and write or type done. And then submit. And it is going to indicate to me you are done, and I can go to my Achieve 3000 and look at your score, and then I can go back to Canvas and give you the score that you received. But make sure you do that. Make sure you type in done. All right, that is it. Hopefully everything goes well for you. Again, if you need any assistance, I'm available on Friday during WIN.